Good morning, everybody. This is the Interactive Personalized Videos webinar by MediaWide. We'll just wait another 30 seconds or so to let everybody join, and we'll get started. We'll get under the way shortly. Okay, so I think we'll make a start. So hello, everybody. This is the Interactive Personalized Video webinar for OpenText Extreme by MediaWide. We'll start off with a little bit about me and the company first, just a very quick introduction. So this is me. I'm the VP of Technology for MediaWide. I've been with MediaWide around about 10 years, and before that I was a partner with MediaWide, so I've actually been working with them for about 20 years now. And then within MediaWide, I handle the pre-sales, technical, and also the partner channel relationships. MediaWide itself is a leading provider of web to print and ad adaptation digital editors for brands and retails. We've actually been incorporated since 1999, so we're over 20 years old as a company. We're actually now headquartered in the UK, and we've got the main development centre over in Pune in India. We also are a OpenText digital experience solutions extension and also an OpenText technology partner. And we're actually a solutions extension, or Solex, for two different platforms. One of them is the Asset Builder, which sits on top of media management. We actually had a webinar yesterday on that particular solution. So over the next couple of days, we'll be adding that webinar to our blog on our website. So you can go there and have a look at that webinar if you want to. The other product, the other solutions extension, is actually the personalized interactive videos for Extreme and Empower, which we will actually be taking a look at today. And just to let you know, MediaWide have actually been working with OpenText for around about 15 years now. So we were actually working with Artesia before OpenText actually purchased that company. So MediaWide have actually been working with Artesia on demand, and we were their go-to web to print software for that product. So we'll actually start off today with a little bit of a background about the personalized videos, where it came from, why we're doing it. And to start off with, we'll actually just go through this slide. As you know, Lou Blatt's keynote actually had this slide up, and also some of the other digital experience keynotes also use this slide here as well. And digital experience is the area where MediaWide sits. And as I mentioned before, we actually have a couple of solutions: the Asset Builder, which sits in the assets area. So that's the area here. And we also have our personalized interactive videos, which sits within the experience and communications channels up here as well. So we have a couple of solutions that cover quite a lot of areas within the digital experience platform. So we'll actually start off with, too far. So we'll actually start off with a very quick 60-second overview of the Asset Builder, which actually sits in the assets area of the digital experience platform. So it gives you a bit of background of where the personalized interactive videos came from and how they sort of evolved from our Asset Builder platform. So very quickly on the Asset Builder is a marketing collateral creation platform. So it allows you to customize, localize, personalize marketing material directly within media management. You can create these templates using InDesign for print, but we also have the ability to create interactive and animated content templates through the MediaWide animation editor. And that allows you to basically create templates of web banner ads, social ads, customized videos, digital signage, and so on. And within media management, within the asset builder, media management is actually the backbone of the solution, where we handle all of the template storage, user management, single sign-on, versioning of the assets, and so on. So the OpenText media management product is very important to use with the asset builder. Now, what we actually done with the asset builder is actually we took the customized video portion of that asset builder, where you can actually customize using the web interface and personalize that video, and then actually transferred that over to Exstream. So we use the same technology that we use for the asset builder to create these customized videos, and put it into Exstream to actually make them truly personalized and one-to-one, and the ability to create them en masse. So going back to our little overview here, you can now see that the personalized video platform sits within the experience and the communications area. And as you can see, they've even put a little icon at the top, which is the personal video, which is the personalized video platform for Exstream and Empower. So the next thing I'd like to go through is a few sort of benefits of using personalized interactive videos. So it's all very well creating these and showing you what they are and what they do, but what do you actually benefit? How do you benefit by using these personalized videos? So first of all, by adding personalized videos to your marketing campaigns, you can actually really improve the feel-good factor of your brand's communications. So your clients, your customers will actually love the way that you're not just addressing them by their first name, but you're also explaining in simple to understand terms their account balances or their insurance policies, and they'll actually really think that you actually really care about them. So just one stat to note here is that 92% of shoppers actually say that the visuals are the most important influential factor affecting purchasing decisions. So what is visually displayed in your emails, your personalized videos, really affects the outcome of that visit. And with video being a very visual medium, personalized videos really do expand on that fact. So when your customers receive a personalized video, they will really want to share that new innovation with their friends. So you can even gain more brand awareness by simply using this innovative delivery method. Another benefit is that personalized interactive videos makes your message very clear and more persuasive. With call to actions directly inside the video, we actually found that people click on the CTA buttons 8 times more than via a standard email. And if you make the call to action personalized as well, then you can actually increase the conversation or the conversion rate, by up to 42%. And with the personalized video, which makes use of the statement data or financial information, adding upselling information directly into the personalized video with a direct call to action can also increase these types of sales by 19%. So we can really uplift your sales directly using the personalized video platform. And it's not just about emails that you can use personalized videos as well. It can also be for use on your website, your portals. So when you do use personalized videos on your websites or portals, your users will actually spend 62% more time on your web page. And you also get 2 times more engagement. So this equates to a happy customer who is satisfied and will want to stay with you longer term. Now, having personalized videos explain utility bills or financial statements in a clear and concise way also helps customer satisfaction, as they are really less likely to actually use the call center, and they're actually happier to resubscribe. So we've even found out that when personalized videos are used for renewals, 12% more customers actually renew if they watch a personalized video compared to a standard email-based renewal notice. So again, another reason why to use these personalized videos. And lastly, when you actually start to add interactive elements into your personalized videos, the viewers will actually spend 44% longer watching these interactive videos than watching linear ones. So adding interactivity to the video draws your customers in and allows you to feed that information, feed them more information about your products or services. And adding game-like experience or gamification can actually result in as much as a 591% lift in user activity. So adding gameplay into the videos is a real bonus, and utilizing the media-wide personalized interactive videos, that really is possible. So what I'd like to do now is just go through a little bit of the platform itself. So you can actually see what it does, what we do, how we create these videos and so on. Once I've done this, I'll then go through some examples, and then we'll come to our new features that's actually being released as part of this OpenText World 2020. So first of all, the interactive personalized videos for Exstream actually allows you to create interactive personalized videos for one-to-one messaging directly within Exstream. And this is actually done through either a batch feed or a trickle feed. So the personalization that we actually create using the video is actually created from the actual Exstream data that the Exstream uses for its native personalization. So as you can see here on the right hand side, this is a bank statement. There are certain values in this bank statement. Those same values are actually used within our personalized video as well. With each personalized video that's actually created, we actually create as well a personalized URL, and that URL can then be embedded into an iframe. It can be placed into an email link. It can be converted into a QR code on printed material, or even converted into a tiny URL or a short link to be used within SMS text messages or WhatsApp messages. And again, Exstream is the backbone of this solution. So, you know, any type of delivery that Exstream can utilize, these personalized videos can also utilize that that delivery stream. Now, personalized videos are actually now created on a mass scale in real time. And we do that by actually utilizing the HTML5 format instead of native MP4s. And because of that, the actual videos that we create are very, very lightweight, and they're also very secure. This means that a typical video, which we'll go through a little bit later, some examples, none of those videos are more than about 5 megabytes in size. And the way we actually generate these on the back end is actually we're not generating the same 5 meg over and over again. It's the 5 meg which is the template, but the actual variable data and the other elements to go with that is only a few K in size. So you could literally have thousands upon thousands of these videos being created and generated, but the footprint of those videos is very, very tiny. It's the same as like a very small HTML5 or HTML document that resides on your servers. So the ability to actually have and store these thousands and thousands of videos isn't an issue anymore because they are so small. And being HTML5 documents, videos, it really does mean they can also be integrated with any type of analytics engine. So as well as our own analytics engine, so we do have an API that can, you know, as you're watching the video, it can send these stats directly to the API to actually store within the platform. You can also use third-party analytics engines as well, like Magellan and the Experience analytics engine as well. So as well as our standard interactive ones, you can also do third-party ones as well. Now, the next thing to discuss is the Empower integration. So this really allows you to use the same interactive personalized videos, but created using the user interface that's launched within OpenText Empower or Exstream Empower. So within your Empower editor, there'll be a button that you can click, and then that will then call up what is in effect the asset builder user interface. So as you can see here, this is a video where you can actually select and change, for example, the user details, the highlights of the plan, the contact form, and the agent details is all part of this video that's editable, and we simply edit this within this form here. Now, same as the asset builder, this can be free flow text or it can come from a database. So as you can see here, the customer name is free flow text, but the actual plan name is a drop down. So you can only select the options that are within the database. And this really allows you to customize and personalize this video specifically for this person that you're actually running this Empower editor for. And we use the same technology that we use in the Extreme. It's just that we have this user interface on top of it. So it's the same HTML5 animated templates. They're created in real time, they're on demand, and they're the same lightweight format, and the same delivery options are available as well. So if you wanted to convert this into a QR code and put it onto a letter, or put it into an email link, again, it's all within possible within the platform. And some other features that we also have within here is the actual templates themselves are either generated through the MediaWide animation editor that you can see on screen here. Now this is actually a timeline-based editor, so Windows-based application that you simply run and create your videos templates. So you can simply drag and drop your assets onto the template. You can mark which bits are editable by tagging. You can then go onto the timeline editor, as you can see on this particular screenshot here. So we have these frames along the bottom here, and you can actually specify the start and stop point of the animation or whatever it needs to be, movements or enlargements, anything like that at all. You can actually do directly within here, and you can then specify how long that animation takes, where the video is going to be embedded into here, and if that video is tagged, you can swap it out, and so on and so forth. But if you don't know this type of editing, if you don't have the expertise in this type of editing, then we also do have professional services that can do this for you. So again, we have a professional services team that has a workflow that they follow to actually generate these templates. So I think it's an 8 or 9 step plan where we go through the storyboarding, the approvals, the getting the assets, and creating these static elements first of all to be approved. Then we have the animations, and then we have the tagging, and then we do all the testing. So there's a lot of professional services that we can actually utilize within MediaWide to actually get these templates created onto your system. And once you've actually created your templates, or we've created your templates, they are simply uploaded onto the Extreme platform. Anything within that template can be variable. So text, images, audio, videos, they can all be made variable, and the new content will actually come direct from the Extreme personalized data XML. So if you're replacing text within the XML file, you would simply have a new text string, and that would then be replaced, swap out that text in the video with that new text. If it's an image, there'll be an image file name. Swap out those images within that XML, replace that image within that video to show directly to that end user. Same with audio, same with video. It can all be swapped out with other audio and video files within the platform. You can also request content from external systems in real time. So again, we do have customization that can be done within the personalized video API. So for example, we had some examples in the past where we're not sure what credit card to offer you, so it does a call to a third-party system to verify what credit card's available. Then it comes back and then places that within the content. So again, that's variable content from external systems that can be done through Extreme, because obviously Extreme also has that capability, but it can also be done directly through the MediaWide personalized video platform as well. And lastly, each personalized URL that's actually created for these videos can also be optionally hashed, and they can also be converted into a tiny URL. And again, that gives you multiple ways of doing this. Again, Extreme can do this, or alternatively, that URL that we create, we can actually just simply supply it to you, hashed and tinied as well, shortened as well. So what we'll go through now is some of these example use cases. So we've actually got about 8 use cases just to go through, and they're on the lines of financial, insurance, retail, and utilities. And we'll actually start off with the financial services types of templates. So this is one of the highest users of the personalized video, because there's so much data that's involved within the financial customers that we have. So this specific example is of a bank statement, which you may receive monthly. Within this bank statement, though, there are a couple of cross-selling activities and a lot of interactive content. And you'll also notice the financial data is actually personalized to this specific recipient. So what I'll do is, whoops, click on the right button, might help. So if I click on this button here, this will actually bring up this template, and I'll hit the play button, and I'll try and get my mic close up to this speaker so you can then actually hear what's the voiceover as well. Okay, here you go.
We endeavor to make banking simple. It is designed to make monthly expense tracking easier for you. Based on your credit history, we are excited to offer you our premium credit card. Make this card yours instantly. We will reach out to collect your relevant documents or click continue to see the rest of this video. We are always here to help. Here are the top links to our most popular customer queries. Click on the links for more details or click continue. In case you need some extra cash, use our loan calculator to discover our repayment plans. You may move the slider to change the loan amount and see your newly calculated monthly payment. Then, choose a plan and proceed to buy to complete the process.
Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, this particular video does also have interactive elements in here as well. So this one is like a loan calculator. So directly within this video, we can actually have this interactive content. So depending on how much I want to borrow, how long I want to borrow it for, these actual values are actually calculated directly for you. And once we're ready to select the plan, we can choose the one we want. And then when we contact us, this will then bring up a form, or it could then navigate you to the portal to actually get online to actually get this application underway. So there's multiple ways that we can actually do this. So this is just an example of having the form that will actually then be submitted. And again, all of this is editable, it's interactive, that we can actually do directly within here. And when we submit it, it will then submit it to a lead generation form, which will then allow you to physically get that lead gen and get the process moving. So that's our first example. The next example is again another financial services one, but this is more of an upsell. So that same offer that was in that previous video, you'll also see this on this video, but at the end of the video there's also some QR codes and some other sort of interactive elements. So if I let me play this one. Okay.
Hello. We think you like to travel and would offer you a unique opportunity to enhance your travel experience with our new cashback rewards card. Our new card, offered exclusively to loyal customers, provides added benefits to travelers such as yourself, including bonus points and cashback rewards, as well as get improved foreign currency exchange rates with 2% reduction on each foreign currency purchase. Make this card yours instantly by applying right here. Click on Call Us Now or just access the QR code to complete action.
Yeah, so this particular example here, if you're on your mobile phone, for example, watching this video, when you hit the Call Us Now, this will actually come up on the screen saying, did you want to call this particular number? So we do have integrations like this as well that can also be done as a lead generation type of element within these videos. So yeah, so this one is a good example of actually trying to sell a customer something, but actually personalize it at the same time. Okay, so the next one is actually moving on to the actual insurance services. So this is actually an insurance onboarding personalized video, and it's a short video that really shows the policyholder what they've purchased, where to find their documents, and this video is not really about selling them anything. It's more about the customer relationship between the insurance company and the policyholder. You want to make them feel special and communicating directly with the policyholder, trying to make things easier for them. And having an onboarding video like this really improves the customer satisfaction and also the retention rates that you get from using these types of videos. So I've done it again. Let me click on this one here, and I will play this one for you.
Welcome. Here's a few important things to know about your new policy. This is the policy you purchased. Here is what's covered. Here is your monthly installments. This is the date the payments are made every month. This is how much you're covered for. You can view your policy online by clicking here. Feel free to contact us if you need any further information. Thank you. We are taking...
Okay, so as you can see, that's just a very quick, informative video that really just outlines the insurance policy that they just purchased. So it's very easy to understand, very easy to view what's in there. Again, there's interactive links on there, so they can click on that icon, click on the button to actually get their interactive content or to get their policy documents as well. So if they did want to delve into that further, again, that is a possibility that they can do. So the next one now is we'll actually move on to the retail sort of sector. So this is a very short video and it's actually based on the retail circulars that you get every week through your letterbox. However, the products and the offers can actually be personalized or customized based on your shopping experience and if you have any loyalty card information in there as well. So each of the products, the discounts, the delivery times and the delivery offer are also customizable on a one-to-one basis as well. So let me hit the button here. And I will play this one for you. Okay. So as you can see, each of those products in there is configurable. You can add and change each of those products, the images, everything in there. Basically, you can do that. So the next one, so if I go here, is another retail one, but this is it's a really simple video that really promotes customer happiness. So it actually portrays a customer whose monthly payment has actually failed. Instead of an official demanding email or letter that's not very pleasant, they instead get this friendly video through the same common channel. But this could also be sent via SMS or WhatsApp for a truly innovative delivery method as well. So let me hit the play button on this. And I will play this one for you as well. So as you can see, it's a very nice and friendly way of actually, sending these customers these types of messages rather than just a demanding letter or demanding email. So it's very, very user friendly and it keeps your customers, again, on your side and happy. So another type of retail video is all about e-receipts. So this is an example of an e-receipt for when you purchase goods. So you normally get the e-receipt in a PDF or an email, but with the medium-wide personalized interactive video, you can also get a video-based e-receipt. But within this video, you'll also see there's lots of interactivity, there's cross-selling, there's upselling. For example, you can click on the buttons to track the package you've purchased or return the item that you've been delivered. You can also see upsells of warranty and accessories of the products that you purchased with the direct links to the cart within the video. There's also customer support links, so if there's a problem, you can communicate directly with the support desk inside the video as well. So it is a really very interactive video that I'm going to show you now. So let me click on this button again here, and I'll hit the play button.
Welcome to your e-receipt. This is your e-receipt for your last purchase. Within this e-receipt, you will be able to see what you purchased, how many points you earned, and how to purchase extra warranty and accessories. These are the items you purchased, how much they cost, and how many points they were worth. Did you know you have been collecting points? Here is the total number of points you have earned this year, and what you can do with them. These are the expected delivery dates and methods for each item you purchased. You can even click on the link to track your packages. Once delivered, if you need to return your product for any reason, simply click on the return button. Did you know you can get an extended warranty on some of your purchased items along with additional protection? Just click on the Buy Now buttons to add these to your basket. If you have any queries about your products, delivery, or service, then please use the link to log on to the website portal to chat to one of our representatives. Thanks for purchasing your products and hope you enjoy.
Okay, so as you can see, within that video, there was tracking, there was returns, there's also links to the web portal. So yeah, there's lots of different interactivity and upselling that you can do within this particular video. So the next video again is a utility this time. So we've gone to the last couple of videos now. So this utility video is a mobile phone bill. So again, this is something that's normally sent as a PDF or an email. And in this case, there's visual elements to help you understand your bill along with the upselling and customer service help. And you'll see this is completely personalized from the name, the phone number, the plan details, and also the offer at the end. Again, simply adding cross-selling offers into everyday videos can also increase your sales for your company. So let me click on the link here and hit the play button.
Welcome to your monthly mobile bill. This video will explain your monthly mobile bill and show you the breakdown of any allowances and charges. This is your current plan. This is what's included in your plan for data, voice, and messages. And this is what you have used as part of your plan. This is the breakdown of your bill, from standard tariff charges to extras and things you bought. Your total bill is shown here. You can keep tabs on your account from your mobile, and it's free to download for iPhone and Android. If you're on Pay Monthly, you'll be able to check how much data you've used, see your fully itemized bill, and change your plan. If you're on Pay As You Go, you'll be able to top up, check your balance, allowances, and see the details of your tariff. And there are loads more features to help you manage your account. This is when your payments will be automatically debited from your account. Please make sure you have sufficient funds to cover this payment. Great news! You can upgrade today. For great deals like the new iPhone 11 Pro or the new Samsung Galaxy 10, click the Upgrade Now button on screen now.
Okay, so as you saw on that video there, this is a really truly personalized video. So each of the plan details, everything in there that is actually personalized to this particular user. And we'll do something similar on this next video as well. So this is the last video that we're going to be presenting. And this is all about your electric and gas statements. So again, this is something that's normally sent via PDF or as a letter or in an email and can be very complicated to understand. And in this case, we've actually added visual elements to help you understand your bill, along with obviously some upselling and some customer service help in there again. So you'll also see this is a completely personalized video from the recipient's name, the plan, the meter readings, and also the offer at the end as well. And this type of video is also great for renewals. It offers a financial saving when you switch plans. Right at the end, there's also tips and tricks to help you save further money. So it looks like the company really cares about your usage. So again, it's not just about upselling, it's also communicating with your customers. So let me play this one and hit the play button.
Welcome to your electricity and gas statement. This is the plan you are currently on. This is what you have used this period. These are based on your meter readings. This is how we worked out your charges. This is when your payment will be debited from your account. This is your personal projection for the next 12 months. If you switch plans, you could be saving money. To learn how you can save money by becoming energy efficient, click on the links below.
Okay, so that's the last video that we wanted to show you. So as you saw from the financial services, through insurance, through to retail, and also the utilities, there's a lot of areas that we can actually use these types of videos. And obviously there's more. So it's not just those 4 verticals that can actually utilize these videos. There's many, many more. So even down to government type of videos you can also do for tax returns and tax updates and things like that. So that there's lots and lots of types of videos that you can actually utilize, different areas that you can actually utilize these. So the last thing I wanted to go through today is actually some of the new features that we're actually bringing on board since we've launched the platform. And some of these features are actually being launched this week at OpenText World. So just to go through a list of some of these, really, just to give you an idea of what some of these are. And obviously, if you want to know some more information, we've got some contact details at the end, which we can then share with you. So first of all, we're actually adding a user interface to the personalized video platform. So this is now going to become a standard part of the system. So whereas before we mainly supplied the API, and a lot of the management was all based on folder structures and API calls and things like that, you can now utilize the user interface directly within the Exstream implementation of the personalized video platform. So this allows you to actually use the user interface to physically upload and edit templates. You can also manage the campaigns within here as well. So if you want to create a specific campaign for a specific use case, you can create that campaign and then use the API with Exstream to actually put those videos into that campaign, so you can then get specific analytics and so on. Within this platform, you also have the ability to manage multiple users. So if you want to configure multiple users to upload and edit these campaigns, you can do that now. And also, especially to do with analytics, we actually do have our own analytic engine within the MediaWide personalized video platform, and that's now moved over to the Extreme version of this platform now as well. So when you go into your campaigns, you can now view the analytics, so see how many videos were sent, or how many videos were created, how many they've watched, how many got to the end of that video, how many call to actions were clicked within that video. So all of those types of analytics can now be handled directly within our platform rather than going to a third party. But obviously, if you want to use a third party, then yes, that can certainly still be done. So if you wanted to use the Magellan or the other customer experience analytic platforms, then obviously you can still do that. And one other thing we can also do now within the platform is we actually now have an asset library. So when you actually want to use variable content within your videos, you now have an asset library directly within the personalized video platform to manage those. So it's now very simple and easy to upload new content, categorize that content, and delete that content as well. We also now support multi-server APIs. So in the past, we literally had a single API that had to be present. We've now actually created or split those APIs into two different APIs. So you can now have a backend API, and the backend API has everything. So within that API, everything you do within the user interface, like create campaigns, create personalized videos, upload the XML documents, all that type of information can actually be done through the backend API. However, the API that's exposed to the front end, to the internet, is only a very light API. So it's literally a couple of APIs in there. One of them is the Play Video API, and the other one is the Analytic API. So all of those other APIs are now hidden from the internet. So it makes it a lot more secure than it used to be. We also have increased the security here as well. So with encrypted URLs and also with a different type of URL that we're now using, it's now much harder to brute force your way into extra videos. So it's pretty much impossible now to actually obtain or get into other videos accidentally or on purpose. So we're using lots of encryption now to actually encrypt the URLs, and with the URL that we're using, with the different options there, it's very, very difficult to actually brute force your way into this into these videos now. So that being said, I think obviously if you want to know more about the personalized video platform for Exstream or the personalized video platform for Empower, then please contact myself. My email address is on screen now. It's glenn.bailey@mediawide.com, and we're happy to discuss further with you. We can set up proof of concepts with you. We can go through further demonstrations with you on the back end as well as the front end that you saw today. And obviously, if you want some more information about this, you can always contact your OpenText account executive as well. They have all the information about the system because we are a solutions extension. It's OpenText that actually sells this on our behalf. So any information that you want, either contact your OpenText account executive, or you can contact me direct at that email address that you see there. So just like to end up saying thank you for attending this live webinar. We've hoped you've learned some invaluable information about the personalized video platform, and yeah, any or many more information, please get in contact with us. So thank you very much.